All right, so here's step number 3. All you got to do is go in here and download these 2 presentations to your computer. That's all you got to do. Download them to your computer. Swap out. You can swap out my bio and put your bio. Some people leave my bio on because people Google me and they know me. But I don't care what you do. I have no ego whatsoever. I want you to get paid whatever you want to do. So all you got to do is everything is done for you. All you got to do is go in here, swap out the Anthony Thornton team and make it whatever your team name is. You can take my bio out and put your bio in, and you'll be done. This whole presentation, start to finish, is a 6- and 7-figure income for you. Okay? So download these things on your computer. Also, here's every single objection you're going to hear from a buyer or seller. We got 11 pages. The people who know these answers to these objections make the most money. Simple as that. It's like the answers to the test, right? Here is 9 hours worth of different VIP buyer meetings I did personally with these people. And some of them are really tough clients and some of them are not so tough clients, but you can see exactly how I did the presentations. All these are about an hour a piece. I try to choose, different people. Some people that's really tough on me, and you already know the end result is a done deal. Sign on the dotted line, right? So these are recorded live meetings that I did with people that you can watch. Here's all the scripts that you'll need, right? Buyer seller, calling sync leads or your database. If you have your own database somewhere, use this script. And then how you can get free listings, guys, free. I taught this training and I think somebody started doing it in our group. And now she's going on like 6 or 7 listing appointments a week. She's a brand new real estate agent. I think it's Queenie in Florida. So look at this training. Seriously, you don't need any money whatsoever to get listings anywhere in wherever you're located in. There's plenty of them out there. Follow this training and you'll be doing 5, 6 listing appointments a week, guaranteed. At least, let's just downplay at least 1. How about that? 50% of people tell you no. Now you got 2 a month, 24 a year. Okay, just follow this training. This is money. This is money. All right. What else? What's step 4? Step 4 basically how to get listings. We just kind of went over it a little bit. And I post stuff that's free. I got 21 different ways for you to get listings. But a lot of real estate agents across the country. I went to 9 countries last year in 21 states, 19 states, and meeting with real estate agents. And some people talk about money. So I like to take away all kind of the stuff from people. Right? There's no excuses for you not to be making 6 figures. It ain't no excuse. So here's a total free way, which we just talked about, right? Zillow for sale by owners. So watch that training, it'll be helpful. Last one is you heard people talking about this morning about how we can get paid up front, $597, $796, $1995, whatever you want to get paid up front. Now, if you're on my team, we max our number at $597 in Georgia. In Cali, we do $1995 in some other states, Arizona. But you guys, if you're not on my team, you can charge people whatever you want to charge them up front. Just make sure you charge everybody the same dollar amount, because otherwise you start discriminatory against people, right? So if you're going to charge, when I first started this in Georgia, I was doing $997, and I was doing this on my own. And then when we started building real estate teams, I did it away from my agents to make money in between closings, and agents were making $50,000 a year just upfront fees. So then we switched over to EXP. EXP didn't have a system in place. So I've been helping them put the system in place, and now it's in place. So if you're the type of person, when you do a buyer brokerage agreement and your buyer brokerage agreement says, okay, we have a $597, whatever you want to call it. You can call it retainer fee, admin fee, VIP services fee. You can have whatever fee you want. And you ask them how would they like to take care of it. This is EXP's process, the best process that they could put together. I don't like it, but this is where we met in the middle. I like it where we used to just, in my other broker, we would run credit cards and just whoop, pay the agent. You split it 50-50. You get 50%, I'll get 50%. But this is something you guys are solo agents. I'm telling you to add to your business. You could meet with 2 or 3 buyers a week, and this, if your fee was $597, you're making $1,800 a week. That's $7,000 a month, whether you close a real estate transaction or not. Well, first of all, I know y'all looking at this like all this stuff's available. Well, I hope you guys are seeking the same. I hope it's not. I don't want you to think that it's over your head. And so don't, just know that we've been doing this for decades, y'all. Decades. And this ain't nothing new. This started with a real estate company called ERA. They're an old real estate company, like 30, 40 years old. That's where all this came from. We just perfected it and made it more robust. So this is EXP's process. I met with the top person at EXP, Director of Human Resources and Accounting, and that's the way they want it done. So step by step. If you want to get paid up front, this is how you do it. Okay? And you are allowed to get paid up front. What does up front mean? You sign somebody on a buyer brokerage agreement. They agree to pay you X amount of dollars. You follow this process. You send everything to EXP, and they send you a check or direct deposit. It's non-refundable, and it is your fee for them doing business with you. We've been charging these fees for decades. Okay, so.